Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on J of All Trades. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Hoover CleanSlate XL, and I've recently did an unboxing on this vacuum cleaner, and I just want to show you guys how it does cleaning upholstery as well as carpet. So I've got a 1-year-old daughter, and she really did a number on this chair. As you can see, I've got a stain right in the back of this chair, and that is chocolate milk. So she was drinking our chocolate milk and it spilled all over this chair. And so we're going to be cleaning out that. And as you can see, there's some other stains on here, probably cookies or something she's been eating, maybe crackers, who knows. So we're going to try to remove these stains today. Let me take you guys over to my daughter's playroom so I could show you these stains on this rug. And right here on that little S, we've got a crayon mark right here. And this thing just does not want to come out. And it gets worse. Right next door to this, we've got some candy stain. And this is like some red sticky candy. And this stuff doesn't want to come out either. So we're really going to put this Hoover to the test today and see how it does. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this spot and stain remover. And this is made by Hoover. And we're just going to spray this on any stains that we see. And we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and let it start to work and break up some of these stains. Now you're going to want to hit every single spot that you see a stain. Now as I was doing this, I noticed that there's a stain in the back here as well. So we're also going to treat that little stain in the back. Let's hit that. Now let's head over to the playroom, and we're also going to use this spot treatment here and hit those stains here as well. Now you really want to hit every single stain that you see so this thing can start working in and dissolving and breaking it up. Now while that's setting, we're going to be able to mix our solution in this container here. And as you can see, this says water, another part says solution, and this shows you the measurement to where you have to fill up your water, and then the rest of it will be solution. On the top here, this is for a large area, and it has the same type of measurements. So we're going to be using the small area measurement today. So the first thing you want to do is just fill this up. Now I have some solution left over from the last thing that I cleaned. And so you guys can just go ahead and just fill it up the same way, all the way up to the water line first. And then once you get it up to the water line, you can start adding your solution. So the solution I'm using today is from Hoover, and this actually came with the kit. But there are many other solutions out there that you can get. I know that Amazon has one that they sell, and there's so many other types of solutions out there that you can use. So you can use whatever you're comfortable with using. Now I'm just using this because it came with the kit. So once that gets up to the solution line, we're going to be good to go. So as you can see here, the solution line has been met. And now we're going to close this up. And we're going to put this in here. And we're going to plug it in. Take out our hose. And we're going to get started on this. So just to go through some functions here, this is a spray nozzle, and this is the trigger to spray the solution mixture. And then you have this head that I'm going to be using today with the bristles on it to help us clean up some of that stuff and break up some of that stain. So this fitting just snaps right on here, and you've got your nozzle and your trigger easily accessible here. And you're going to hit your power button, and now we're going to be ready to spray the solution on here. Now, when you're spraying the solution on here, you want to go evenly and slowly so that you can cover every area that has a stain. Today, I'm going to be doing the entire bottom of this chair because there's just so many things on it. So you're going to work in one direction and you're going to work your way all the way across the upholstery and try to suck up all the moisture out of it. And here I can still see that the stain is still showing, but it definitely did remove some of the stain. So I'm just going to hit it with some of this cleaning solution again, and I'm going to kind of saturate that area. And I see that there's a little bit of stain still left in that front area as well. And so I'm just going to hit those areas where I see anything remaining. Now I'm going to use the bristles on this fitting to just sort of work the solution into the chair and break up some of the stains a little bit more. and that seems to be doing a pretty good job. So we'll see once we start sucking this stuff up. And as you can see, I'm going in a circular motion, and that seems to be the best way to really get this thing to really work in place. Now I'm gonna just work on one side and continue over until I suck up most of the moisture. And I'm gonna make a double pass, so I'll go all the way to the front and then I'll work my way backwards again so I can remove more moisture out of the chair. And as you can see, this has really done a good job so far. Now I would say about 99% of that stain is gone. And as you can see where the milk was, it's looking a whole lot better there. And so I'm really impressed with the way that turned out. Now I do see a slight stain here still in the front that's still remaining. And so I'm just going to hit that again and massage it and just try to get that stuff broken up. And that seemed to have done a really good job of really getting that out too. So that definitely didn't take everything out. I would say about 99% there. But overall, I think I'm happy with the way that turned out. Now we're going to hit this one in the back. I'll massage it a little bit and then start. And look at that. Now that took that one out completely. So that worked pretty good. I really can't see anything there. And so after this is dry, this is looking really good. And one thing about this material, it's kind of tricky, but when you actually rub it, you'll see that it's this sort of suede material. So it's kind of misleading in showing how clean this is. But as you can see, this has gotten really clean. All right, so off to the playroom here, and we're going to do the same thing. Going to spray this solution on here and massage it in a little bit. And these bristles really do a good job. I'm so impressed because the crayon is actually dissolving right in front of my face right now. So that is very surprising. So let's start sucking up the moisture out of here and see what we get. Wow. I can't see any crayon at all on that S. So that worked, and that worked very well. So it shows that some stains are easier to take out than others. So it all depends on what it is. Now let's head over to this sticky candy stain over here, and let's see how this does. So we're just going to rinse and repeat here. We're going to spray the solution all over the stains and just get it saturated with this cleaning solution. And this one I'm going to actually start out by using these bristles and just massaging it in to see if I can just break up some of that sticky candy stuff. And right away I can see that this is actually starting to break up a little bit. As you can see, they're getting a little bit lighter. And you could tell that that solution is going to work on that candy. And I'm going to hit it with some more solution here and massage it a little bit more. And let's start sucking it up and see what happens. All right, I would say most of that is gone, which is really impressive. Let me just hit this one more time with some cleaning solution for any spots that I missed. And I'm just going to massage it again and just work that solution in there. Just remember that when you're doing this, you want to suck up most of the moisture out of these material because it'll help it to dry a lot faster and you'll get better results. And so for me, I'm really impressed with this Hoover CleanSlate XL. You guys leave some comments and tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you think that it's performing well. And I think it really did good. I'm really surprised that it actually removed all of that sticky candy. And as you can see around this S here, you can't see any crayon. And those were two tough stains. So leave a comment and tell me what you guys think. Now this is the chair that we started with. Pretty bad milk stain right there. And then this is what we ended up with. I'm going to leave some links in the description down below so you guys can go out there and purchase it if you'd like. Now remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.